AMP value sort of equivalent to $0.0029 a coin and in every way that really matters, significant way. The present exchange cost range, 0.0029 0.0030. The earlier day close, 0.0029, which for the most part is very critical. The change explicitly was 0.0000, 0.00% in an unobtrusive way. Reverse rate, USD to AMP, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. AMP value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an especially significant manner. AMP cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost $0.0029, certainly most extreme $0.0031, in every practical sense, least $0.0027 in an essentially enormous way. AMP estimate on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.0029, all things considered, greatest $0.0031, for the most part least $0.0027. AMP cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.0027, most extreme $0.0029, in every way that really matters, least $0.0025. AMP figure on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.0027, genuinely greatest $0.0029, fundamentally least $0.0025, or so they by and large thought. AMP cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost $0.0027, genuinely greatest $0.0029, certainly least $0.0025 in a fundamentally huge way. In multi-week AMP gauge on Monday, May 22, cost $0.0026, kind of greatest $0.0028, most certainly least $0.0024, or so they certainly thought. AMP cost forecast on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.0025, genuinely greatest $0.0027, truly least $0.0023, which basically is genuinely critical. AMP figure on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.0026, in every practical sense, greatest $0.0028, beautiful least $0.0024 in an especially huge way. AMP cost forecast on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.0026, fundamentally most extreme $0.0028, genuinely least $0.0024, which basically is genuinely critical. AMP gauge on Friday, May 26, cost $0.0026, truly most extreme $0.0028, really least $0.0024, in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. In about 14 days AMP cost forecast on Monday, May 29, cost $0.0026, most certainly greatest $0.0028, genuinely least $0.0024 in an especially huge way. AMP gauge on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.0026, fundamentally most extreme $0.0028, essentially least $0.0024, or so they in a real sense thought. AMP cost forecast on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.0025, beautiful greatest $0.0027, kind of least $0.0023. AMP figure on Thursday, June 1, cost $0.0025, especially most extreme $0.0027, kind of least $0.0023 in an unpretentious way. AMP cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost $0.0025, exceptionally greatest $0.0027, extremely least $0.0023. In 3 weeks AMP figure on Monday, June 5, cost $0.0025, for the most part greatest $0.0027, sort of least $0.0023. AMP cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.0025, in every practical sense, most extreme $0.0027, least $0.0023, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. AMP conjecture on Wednesday, June 7, cost $0.0025, by and large most extreme $0.0027, least $0.0023, which truly is genuinely huge. AMP cost expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.0026, genuinely greatest $0.0028, especially least $0.0024 in an unpretentious way. AMP figure on Friday, June 9, cost $0.0026, kind of greatest $0.0028, truly least $0.0024. In about a month AMP cost forecast on Monday, June 12, cost $0.0025, truly greatest $0.0027, kind of least $0.0023 in a significant way. AMP conjecture on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.0025, most extreme $0.0027, beautiful least $0.0023 in an unobtrusive way. USD to AMP conversion scale truly equivalent to 342.47 coins per $1, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Today, S-Reach 331133472, showing that in multi-week AMP estimate on Monday, May 22, cost $0.0026, essentially most extreme $0.0028, really least $0.0024, which explicitly is very critical. The past day, S nearby, 341.30 in an unpretentious way. Change for now plus 1.17, plus 0.34%, so MP cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31. Cost $0.0025, really greatest $0.0027, sort of least $0.0023 in a for the most part huge manner. USD to AMP cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future in month, or so they fundamentally thought. Dollar to AMP figure on Monday, May 15, cost 344.83 coins. Certainly most extreme 370.37, genuinely least 322.58, exhibiting that today, S exchange cost range 0.0029 0.0030 in an every practical sense, significant way. USD to AMP expectation on Tuesday, May 16, cost 344.83 coins, essentially greatest 370.37, truly least 322.58, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. Dollar to AMP figure on Wednesday, May 17, cost 370.37 coins, truly greatest 400.00, kind of least 344.83, or so they fundamentally thought. USD to AMP forecast on Thursday, May 18, cost 370.37 coins, certainly greatest 400.00, least 344.83, extremely further appearance how MP cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.0025, by and large most extreme 0.0027, genuinely least 0.0023, which basically is genuinely huge. Dollar to AMP estimate on Friday, May 19, cost 370.37 coins, truly greatest 400.00, least 344.83 in an exceptionally enormous way. In multi-week USD to AMP forecast on Monday, May 22, cost 384.62 coins, sort of greatest 416.67, genuinely least 357.14 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to AMP conjecture on Tuesday, May 23, cost 400.00 coins, especially most extreme 434.78, beautiful least 370.37, which certainly is very critical. USD to AMP expectation on Wednesday,